Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? Today, let me teach you how you can remove the search icon or the search bar from your trade team in your Shopify store. Okay, so now let's get straight to the video as I put you through, because by the time we're done, it's going to look just like this. Now let's get straight to the video. Ta-ta-ria. The first thing you want to do is to come here to your backend or your dashboard or your admin and come here to online store teams, and you want to come to trade, okay? And you want to hit on customize. And the moment you do that, you're gonna come to this interface here, okay? And we're gonna be using 3 methods here for you to be able to remove this search bar, okay? So the first method I'm gonna be teaching you is using the base method, okay? And right here, we're gonna come here to this 3-dotted icon, and we're gonna click on edit code, all right? And the moment we click on edit code, we're going to land on a page just like this. Now, don't forget, I know you might be like, oh, I don't know how to edit. It's fine. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and teach you exactly just easy method that you just copy and paste. All right. So now let's go ahead to this doc file. Okay. So here in this doc file, you're just going to copy this. Okay. It's still very easy. Okay. So don't be like, oh no, Maverick, I don't know. It's fine. Okay. Just go ahead, copy and come back. All right. And you come to trade and you come to assets and you come to base.css. And you scroll down, okay, you go down, okay, you just come down, baby, okay, you come down right there, okay, and you go ahead, you paste this code, all right, paste it right there. You can see, very easy, you're not even editing anything, just to paste and click on save and come back. And right here, you see it's gone. All right, the search icon is gone. All right, so this is exactly how you can remove the search icon using this method. Okay, but however, maybe you don't want to go ahead and do that, and you're like, oh no, Maverick, I don't want to go ahead and start editing any code. I just want to leave it right there. Is there any easy method again? Okay, it's fine. There is. All right, and the way you can do that is by using the interface here, and we're going to be using the custom methods, okay? And the custom methods are also simple. All right, now let's go straight to teach you the custom method. But before I do that, please try as much as possible to subscribe to this channel. I've got several goals to get this to 10,000 subscribers at least. So please join the family, join the growth, enjoy the movement, and help me get this to 10,000 subscribers, because I cannot do it without the support of you guys. So please subscribe to this channel and God bless you. Now let's go straight to teach you exactly how to do that. Now the first thing you want to do is to first remove this code so that it shows again. I'm done with that. So now the code is now visible. So I want to come here to header, and right here, normally if it's other teams like Horizon or several other ones, okay, out there, Fabric, possibly you will see the Fabric team, you see the search icon already that you can just toggle and it will be gone. But because we're using the trade team, it's not going to be visible. So we want to click on Custom CSS, okay, and you want to scroll down right there, and you want to come to this doc file again, and you want to go up and you want to go ahead and click on to remove using CS, okay. Now to get access to this doc file, just check the video description, it's going to be there, and you want to come back here and you want to paste it, okay, just paste, and then you're good to go. All right, you're good to go. You can see it's gone. All right, it's gone. Someone type it's gone in the comment section, okay, type it's gone, and that's it, it's all gone. All right, so now for you to use this, it's very simple. Also just paste, okay. But maybe you're still like, oh no, I don't want to use this method. Let's talk about the final method, okay. Once you're done with this, you can click on save and you're good to go. But let's go ahead and use another method, which is the another custom liquid method. That's custom liquid, another custom method. When I click on add section, okay, first click on that. No, I don't always like to check that. Okay, click on add section and click on custom liquid, and click on custom liquid again, and come here to this doc file again. Okay, I've got everything ready for you guys, and go ahead and copy this and come back and paste. And once you paste, you can see it's gone again. All right, so this is exactly how you can remove the search icon or the sidebar from your Shopify trade team, okay, using the 3 methods that I have for you, the 3 main methods. Okay, so now thank you very much for your time. If this video is helpful, please subscribe. It helps to support the movement. Thank you very much for your time. And also, even if you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people who are also looking for tutorial videos just like this. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Please take care of yourself, take care of your health, because I would like to see you in another video, and I want you to all be alive and good looking. Okay, so peace. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.